In order to proceed for sizing a ducting system, we need following information. This is a ducting software from MacWay. It is freely available and you can download it from Ducting website. Let's say we have a floor where we have 8 offices and we have a corridor in between. We have to take the airflow rates from our cooling load calculations. Basically, when we do the cooling load calculations from a software, the software gives us different results and we have the airflow rates also in those results. We have to use the airflow rates for each of these offices that will be coming from our hourly analysis program. Let's say we have 150 CFM for each of these offices. First of all, we have to draw a ducting route. For each of these offices, we will be using one diffuser. As you can see that we have placed one diffuser in each room. Now we will draw the route for the duct. We have different choices on how we can route the duct. Every choice has its pros and cons. That's option 1. That's option 2. That's option 3. Out of these options, we have to decide which option is best for us. So that's our option 1. This is our option number 2. This is our option number 3. Let's start with option number 1. Make sure to size the diffusers. How to size a diffuser, we will discuss it in another video. For now, we have 9 by 9 inches diffusers in each of these spaces. So for 150 CFM, we have 9 by 9 inches of supply air diffuser. We have placed that in the center of the room to have uniform air distribution. Make sure to coordinate the location of the diffuser with other services that are going to be installed in the false ceiling. First of all, we will be sizing the branch ducts. We have 150 CFM for each diffuser. So we will enter the airflow rate and we will enter the head loss. This point 1. You can see that we have the equivalent duct diameter of 6.8 inches, which have the velocity of 591 fpm, which is within the range of 500 to 700 fpm, which we discussed earlier in our video. This software gives us the equivalent round diameter and we have to convert that into a rectangular duct size. In order to convert this into rectangular duct size, we have to give one dimension of the duct. So in our case, we have a 9 by 9 inches diffuser. If we are using a rectangular duct, in order to size the branch duct for a supply air diffuser, we have to size a duct so that it can be properly connected with this diffuser. Generally what we do is we increase 2 inches from the diffuser size. This is necessary for proper duct joint construction. So we have 9 inches of diffuser and we have to increase that and make it 9 plus 2, 11 inches. And then we will make it of even size. Generally the ducts are sized for the sake of size simplicity. We use even duct size, like those duct sizes that are multiplier of 2. So when we use 9 inches, we have 9 inches of diffuser and we need 2 inches for joints, and then we have to make it round. It will be 12 inches. So the first dimension which we have for this branch duct is 12. So we will be entering 12 here and the software gives us the other dimension. 12 into 4 inch is our duct size for branch duct. We will be using 12 inches into 4 inches duct size for each of these branches. Now let's size the main duct. For this section of the duct, we have 300 CFM. We will put 300 CFM here and we have a size of 12 into 6 inches. While sizing the ductwork, make sure that this main duct have at least 2 inches more height than the branch duct. It is required for the proper ducting joint. For this section, we have 600 CFM. It's 12 by 9 inches. We will round that off and we will be using 12 into 10 inches. For this section, we have 900 CFM, and for this section we have 1200 CFM. For 900 CFM we have 12 into 12 inches. For 900 CFM we have a duct size of 12 by 12 inches. For 1200 CFM we have 16 by 12 inches. While sizing the ductwork, make sure that when the duct size is increased, only one dimension of the duct is changed. It is generally considered as a good practice. As you can see that we have kept the 12-inch size in this duct. The first dimension we have kept same, that is 12 inches, whereas the height of the duct have increased. In this section we haven't changed the height, we have changed the width. It is also dependent on the space above the false ceiling. And we have to coordinate the space allocated for HVAC with the architect and other team members.